Welcome. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence can help you plan your day more efficiently. With our lives getting busier, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by endless to-do lists and shifting priorities. But what if you had a smart assistant that could organize your schedule, remind you of important tasks, and even suggest the best times to tackle them? That's where AI comes in. In this video, we'll explore the ways AI can transform your daily planning, making your routines smoother and more productive. Let's get started by understanding what AI-powered planning really means. AI-powered planning uses intelligent algorithms to analyze your habits, preferences, and commitments. Instead of you manually sorting through your calendar, AI tools can automatically prioritize your tasks, suggest optimal times for meetings, and even adjust your schedule if something unexpected comes up. These systems learn from your behavior over time, becoming more accurate and helpful the more you use them. This means less time spent organizing and more time focusing on what matters most to you. One of the first steps in using AI for daily planning is syncing all your calendars and task lists. AI tools can connect with your work, personal, and family calendars, pulling all your commitments into one place. This unified view helps the AI understand your availability and prevents double booking. It also means you won't miss important events or deadlines, as everything is tracked and updated in real time. AI doesn't just list your tasks, it helps you prioritize them. By analyzing deadlines, importance, and your personal productivity patterns, AI can recommend which tasks to tackle first. For example, if you're most alert in the morning, it might schedule your most challenging work then. This way, you're always working on the right thing at the right time, boosting your efficiency and reducing stress. Forgetful moments are a thing of the past with AI-powered reminders. These systems can send you notifications for upcoming meetings, deadlines, or even breaks. What's more, AI can learn which reminders you tend to ignore and adjust their timing or frequency, making sure you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed by constant alerts. AI can offer personalized suggestions based on your habits and goals. For instance, if you often skip lunch, your AI assistant might recommend a break at noon. Or, if you tend to work late, it could suggest winding down earlier. These tailored prompts help you maintain a healthy balance between productivity and well-being. Life is unpredictable, and plans can change at a moment's notice. AI-powered planners can quickly adapt, rescheduling your tasks and meetings when something unexpected comes up. This flexibility means you don't have to spend time manually rearranging your day. AI does it for you, ensuring nothing important gets lost in the shuffle. AI planners can connect with a variety of other apps you use daily, such as email, messaging, and project management tools. This integration allows the AI to pull in relevant information, like meeting invites or task updates, and keep your schedule up to date automatically. The result is a seamless workflow where all your tools work together. Over time, AI learns from your daily routines and preferences. It notices when you're most productive, which tasks you tend to delay, and what times you prefer for meetings. Using this data, it continuously refines its suggestions, making your planning experience more personalized and effective as you go. AI can help you plan your commute by analyzing traffic data, public transport schedules, and even weather conditions. It can suggest the best time to leave, recommend alternative routes, or notify you of delays. This way, you can avoid unnecessary stress and make the most of your travel time. AI planners can help you achieve a better work-life balance by scheduling time for both professional and personal activities. They can remind you to take breaks, schedule family time, or even suggest relaxation periods. By ensuring you don't overbook yourself, AI helps you maintain a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Making decisions all day can be exhausting. AI can reduce decision fatigue by automatically organizing your tasks and suggesting the next best action. This way, you don't have to constantly decide what to do next. Your AI assistant handles it, freeing up your mental energy for more important choices. AI tools can track all your deadlines and send you timely reminders as due dates approach. They can also help you break big projects into smaller, manageable tasks, scheduling them throughout your week. This proactive approach ensures you stay on top of your responsibilities without last-minute rushes. Scheduling meetings can be a hassle, especially when coordinating with multiple people. AI can analyze everyone's availability and suggest the best times for meetings, even sending out invites automatically. This saves you time and ensures meetings are set when everyone is most likely to be productive. AI can help you block out dedicated focus time in your schedule, ensuring you have uninterrupted periods to work on important tasks. By analyzing your workload and preferences, it finds the best slots for deep work, helping you achieve more in less time. Working nonstop isn't healthy. AI can monitor your workload and suggest timely breaks to help you recharge. Whether it's a quick stretch or a longer lunch, these reminders ensure you stay refreshed and avoid burnout throughout the day. AI planners can track your progress on tasks and projects, providing insights into how much you've accomplished and what's left to do. This feedback helps you stay motivated and adjust your plans as needed to meet your goals. Recurring tasks, like weekly meetings or daily check-ins, can be scheduled automatically by AI. The system remembers these routines and ensures they're always included in your plan, so you never forget important regular activities. If you're juggling several projects at once, AI can help you allocate time to each based on deadlines and priorities. It ensures you make steady progress on all fronts, preventing any one project from falling behind. Continuous learning is important, but it's easy to overlook. AI can recommend time slots for personal development, such as reading, online courses, or skill-building activities, ensuring you keep growing alongside your daily responsibilities. AI can help you prioritize your health by scheduling time for exercise, meals, and relaxation. It can even remind you to drink water or take a walk, supporting your overall well-being as part of your daily plan. AI notifications are smarter than standard alerts. They can adjust their timing based on your current activity, ensuring you're notified at the most convenient moments. This reduces interruptions and helps you stay focused on your current task. Many AI planners work with voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. You can add tasks, check your schedule, or set reminders just by speaking. This hands-free approach makes it easy to manage your day, even when you're on the go. AI planners allow you to set your own preferences, such as working hours, preferred meeting times, and notification settings. This customization ensures your schedule fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. With all this data being managed, privacy and security are crucial. Leading AI planners use encryption and strict privacy policies to protect your information. Always check the security features of any tool you use to ensure your data stays safe. AI planners often provide visual dashboards that show your entire day at a glance. These dashboards use color coding, charts, and timelines to help you quickly understand your schedule and spot potential conflicts. Setting and tracking goals is easier with AI. You can define your objectives, and the AI will help you break them down into actionable steps, track your progress, and adjust your plan as needed to keep you moving forward. AI tools can facilitate collaborative planning, allowing you to coordinate schedules with colleagues, friends, or family. Shared calendars and group reminders make it easy to stay in sync and avoid scheduling conflicts. If you work with people in different time zones, AI can automatically adjust meeting times and reminders to fit everyone's local time. This eliminates confusion and ensures smooth communication across regions. AI can analyze your productivity trends over time, highlighting when you're most effective and where you might be losing time. These insights help you adjust your habits and make smarter scheduling decisions. AI helps prevent overbooking by monitoring your commitments and alerting you if you're trying to schedule too much. It can suggest alternatives or help you delegate tasks, ensuring your day remains manageable. AI planners can connect with smart devices like smartwatches or home assistants. This integration allows you to receive reminders, check your schedule, or even update your tasks from anywhere, making daily planning more convenient. AI can automate routine tasks, such as sending emails, confirming appointments, or updating your calendar. This automation frees up your time for more meaningful work and reduces the risk of forgetting important details. Sometimes, we all need a little motivation. AI can send encouraging messages or reminders to help you stay focused and positive throughout the day. These nudges can boost your morale and keep you moving forward, even on tough days. With more people working remotely, AI planners can help manage virtual meetings, track tasks, and maintain productivity from anywhere. They can also help you set boundaries between work and personal time, making remote work more sustainable. When plans change suddenly, AI can quickly adjust your schedule and notify everyone involved. This agility ensures you stay organized and responsive, even when things don't go as planned. AI can recommend time for social activities, helping you maintain connections with friends and family. By balancing work and social life, you can enjoy a more fulfilling and well-rounded day. At the end of each day, AI can provide a summary of what you accomplished and what's left for tomorrow. This review helps you reflect on your progress and plan ahead, making each day more productive than the last. AI planners let you customize how you receive notifications, whether it's a gentle vibration, a pop-up, or an email. This flexibility ensures you're alerted in a way that suits your preferences and environment. AI can scan your emails for meeting invites, deadlines, and important messages, automatically adding them to your schedule. This integration saves you time and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Many AI planners support multiple languages, making them accessible to users around the world. This inclusivity ensures everyone can benefit from smarter daily planning, regardless of their native language. AI planners can generate visual overviews of your week or month, helping you spot busy periods and plan ahead. These overviews make it easy to balance your workload and avoid last-minute surprises. AI doesn't just organize your day, it provides actionable insights, such as suggesting ways to save time or improve your workflow. These tips help you continuously refine your planning and become more efficient over time. AI can prompt you to reflect on your achievements and challenges, encouraging personal growth. By reviewing your progress and setting new goals, you can make each day more meaningful and productive. In summary, AI offers a powerful set of tools to help you plan your day more effectively. From smart scheduling and reminders to personalized suggestions and actionable insights, AI can transform the way you organize your life. By embracing these technologies, you can reduce stress, boost productivity, and enjoy a more balanced, fulfilling day. Start exploring AI-powered planning tools today and experience the difference for yourself.